Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where USB options are not showing on your Android phone when you connect it to PC but the phone charges, then please watch this video. Now in 60 to 70% cases, the issue is that your phone is locked, so unlock your phone. Because when the phone is locked, you will not be able to access it on through your computer since it is locked. That is the purpose of locking a phone. So it will pick the charging, but it will not reflect on your computer. So unlock your phone. The next one is to judge compatibility issues. And how will you judge compatibility issues? First of all, check if the phone is compatible to be connected to your laptop or not. If not, then it won't. And lastly, change the cable. Get a new cable, one which is capable of connecting to your computer. If this doesn't help, then update the USB drivers. And there's nothing else that can be done from the laptop's end. But here's what we will do. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.